To adjust the volume for your specific apps in OnePlus 15, first of all, we'll need to launch our settings. Inside, we want to find sound and vibration options, and then we can scroll down looking for volume button, for app specific volume. You can activate it right here with this option, and now to actually use it, let's move on to the YouTube that I have opened right here. Now, if we click on our volume button, either to increase volume or decrease it, we should be able to find a YouTube, but I'm showing you that right now, but this will only work when there's actually sound coming off from the certain app. So now if I lower the volume for my phone like this, we can start the playback of YouTube, then click, as I said, on that button, then go into the app volume, and here you can adjust the volume only for the YouTube and then for other media right here. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.